Annex 3 Regulation for the Prevention of Pollution by Harmful Substance carried by sea in package form. Regulation 1 Application. This annex applies to all ships carrying harmful substance in package form as identified as marine pollutants in the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. The carriage of harmful substance is prohibited unless outlined in this annex. The government of each party to the convention must issue detailed requirements on packing, making, labeling, documentation, stowage, quantity limitation, and exceptions to minimize marine environmental pollution. Empty package used for harmful substance must be treated as harmful substance. Regulation 2 Packing. Package containing harmful substance must be durability marked with the correct technical name and label to indicate their presence as a marine pollutant. Identification may be supplemented by the relevant United Nations number. The marking and labeling must be durable enough to survive at least 3 months in the sea. Regulation 3 Marking and labeling. Package containing harmful substance must be durable, marked with the correct technical name and label to indicate their presence as marine pollutant. Identification may be supplemented with the United Nations number making labeling must be durable enough to survive at least small quantities may be exempted. And lastly, for Regulation 4 Documentation. The regulation requires the correct technical name of harmful substance in sea transport documents. Include the term marine pollutant. Shippers must provide a signed certificate or declaration confirming proper packaging and pack to minimize marine environmental hazard. Ships carrying harmful substance must have a special list or manifest outlining their presence or detailed stowage plan. Copies of documents must be retained on shore and available before departure. When combined with dangerous goods documents and clear distinction must be made. Electronic data processing and EDI transmission techniques can be used for proper documentation.